This 2025 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, external shower, air conditioning, oven, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, awning, TV, auxiliary battery, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Solitude 391DL is 15,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.